मिनशैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। वेलकम टू इंग्लिश क्लास स्टैंडर्ड 7 न्यूज़ एनालिसिस पार्ट 2। न्यूज़ आर्टिकल इज़ मोस्ट डेंजरस टाइम इन हिस्ट्री। London, the famous physics professor Stephen Hawking has warned that mankind facing the most dangerous time in its history today. He said that the world today is facing huge challenges like climate change, overpopulation, epidemic, disease. We have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live, and I have not yet developed the ability to escape it. Perhaps in a few hundred years from now, we will have built colonies aimed the stars, but right now we have only one planet and we need to work together to protect it. Hawking wrote recently in the Guardian newspaper. Let's see questions related to the article. Question number 1, guess the meaning of mankind. Mankind की meaning लिखनी है, that is human being और बनी नौ इंसान. Number 2, which word or phrase in the news refer to Earth? The word world and planet are used to refer to the Earth. Question 3, which of the following problem do we have believe is to be most serious? A, climate change, B, overpopulation, C, epidemic disease. The problem which we are facing today is climate change, in the most serious problem because it can destroy the whole planet at once and it can affect all the creatures of the earth. Question number 4, discuss the following statement with the help of your teacher. A, we have the technology to destroy the planet on which we live. हम उस planet पे रहते हैं और हम उसी को destroy करने के लिए तैयार है टेक्नोलॉजी के साथ. तो इसमें हम देखेंगे, if we use the modern technology wrongfully, it can have bad effect on earth and can destroy it. जो हम टेक्नोलॉजी यूज़ कर रहे हैं वो हमारे अर्थ के लिए नुकसानदेह है और इससे ही हम अपनी दुनिया को ख़त्म कर सकते हैं. B, we will have built colonies aimed the stars. It means human being might build their house on other planet in future. फ्यूचर में हम दूसरे planet पे अपने घर बना सकते हैं. C, right now we have only one planet. This means we can't live now on any other planet except Earth. हम इस वक्त सिर्फ दुनिया में या इस ज़मीन पर ही रह सकते हैं, कोई और जगह हमारे रहने के लिए है नहीं. Fifth, Professor Hawking wrote about the problems in the Guardian. Why it is given as news in the paper? Because Professor Hawking was a great scientist, his theory is published as a news to warn others. Now other article D, quick cure for all alignments. Staff reporter Kauke. Hundreds of people flock every hour to Ravladi, a teeny settlement near Ambegaon. They wait in the long winding queue in the hot sun to get the special powder from Miri Baba, who claims that it cures all the sort of diseases. According to him, he has developed his powder from the special herb in the Himalaya. Unwilling to give the exact name and source of the herb, he only says that it was relieved to him. He offered it at ₹25 a packet. Each packet is especially blessed by him. Some of his followers claim that they have seen him curing thousands of people with his powder. However, Dr. Karnik of Ambegaon Civil Hospital says that the number of patients in their hospital has in fact increased in the last few weeks. Question number 1, guess the meaning of flock and followers. तो flock means झुंड and followers means हामी, यानी जिनकी हम पैरवी करते हैं. Question number 2, why there is a question mark in the heading? Because the reporter is also doubtful about the news and he left it to the pupil to decide. Question number 3, which part of the news is reliable, which part may not be reliable? तो Miri Baba's powder cures all sort of diseases. This part is not reliable and Dr. Karnik's report is reliable. Will Miri Baba and his followers like the news? No, they don't like the news. Question 5. What should we do when we fall ill? We should refer to a doctor if we fall ill. 6. Imagine how this news will help people understand the truth that Miri Baba's powder cannot cure disease. Write the story about it in short, in your mother tongue. So the story will be in our mother tongue Urdu. कुछ नौजवानों ने मीरी बाबा के मटके पर जमा तमाम मरीज़ों को इकट्ठा किया। मीरी बाबा को मटके बाहर लाया गया और सबके सामने मीरी बाबा से ये बात कबूल करवाई कि ये पाउडर कोई दवा नहीं बल्कि बाजरे का आटा है। मीरी बाबा ने ये बात कबूल की और उन्होंने पैसे कमाने के लिए लोगों को धोखा दिया है। मूविंग ऑन टू इंग्लिश वर्कशॉप. Write your own impression about the news item given in A, B, C and D in the table below. Table is news item A, B, C, D which we have already read. Good news, bad news, reliable, unreliable, interesting, uninteresting and boring and others. A. Good news, reliable and interesting. B. Bad news, reliable, uninteresting. C. Bad news, reliable and interesting. D. Bad news, unreliable and boring.